New Year's is one of those events you don't want to screw up. It can set your whole year off on the wrong foot. But if you're going to celebrate in style, you want to do it right. How would you know if you're missing out if you don't know the best places to experience it? Whether on a trip alone or with a loved one, these are the best ways to ring in an unforgettable new year. This is the Traveler's Post, where we bring you some of the best travel spots, luxury tourist destinations. If you want to experience the glitzy, glamorous side of travel and maybe get a few ideas of your own, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to dive into some of the best places to celebrate the new year, from crazy parties to breathtaking experiences to do on this list. You won't be surprised to hear that it's just as impressive as it seems. So make sure you get your resolutions written, your champagne bottles corked, and get ready for the top 15 places in the world to celebrate New Year. Number 10. Sydney, Australia. If you're looking for an experience unlike any other, Sydney, Australia offers a thrilling night out on the new year for those of you looking for something unforgettable. The fireworks above the Sydney Harbour are breathtaking and a far escape from the ones you'll see back home. You can experience it from a luxurious coast harbour cruise too, with one of their unforgettable one-hour experiences, including drinks, fancy food, and stunning fireworks. If you don't need the extravagance, then you can book a fancy dinner at any of the many waterfront restaurants too. There are plenty to choose from. The night is truly what you make of it. Number 9. Las Vegas, Nevada. Experience the ambiance of the Las Vegas Strip with enchantment that only one of the best-known party destinations can bring. With a city like this, it comes to life like no other on New Year, with lively casinos, hotel events, crazy fireworks, nightclubs, and so much more. Visit the infamous Strip where the crowd goes wild. Drive in the new year like a Hollywood beauty in style and witness the fantastic display above you. Great for a group of friends, a wedding party, or a small celebration. Perfect. Number 8. Venice, Italy. If you're looking for the best place in Italy to kick off the new year, there's nothing quite like Venice. There's no shortage of tourists year-round with the postcard-ready views of the perfect canals and the incredible history and architecture. But for New Year celebrations, you're in for a real treat. An Italy-style New Year celebration starts with a lavish dinner in true Venetian style with a boat and fantastic view. You can visit La Fenice Opera House to witness a different sort of operatic celebration. But the big party at St. Mark's Square is where everyone gathers at midnight to welcome the new year with singers and artists performing and fireworks taking place on top of the hour for the new year. Number 7. Cape Town, South Africa. Take a trip to one of the liveliest and most vibrant cities in South Africa and celebrate the ringing of the new year at the edge of the continent. The waterfront in Cape Town is a fantastic place to spend your new year. From live bands, plenty of extravagant eateries, carnival characters, and so much more. The carnival-themed performances will ensure you don't have a dull moment in store for you. Catch fireworks from Table Mountain or Signal Hill if you're looking to avoid the crowd. Great for families, friends, or couples looking for a true getaway. Number 6. Miami, Florida. With incredible beaches and crazy parties, Miami offers a fantastic alternative to partying the new year in style. Witness spectacular free fireworks off of South Beach and Bayfront Park downtown. Enjoy a fancy dinner, if you're the type for that. At the same time, you can indulge in festivities at the wharf along the Miami River. You'll feel like a socialite under the bright skies with a cool breeze running through. For a real lavish night out, you can book a yacht at the Biscayne Bay to enjoy the thrilling DJ night, top-notch hospitality, exotic food and drinks, and so much more. This destination is perfect for families, friends, and is the ideal place if you're not quite sure what you want to do. The city will take you where you need to go. I promise that. Before we continue, what was the most fantastic experience you had? Did you feel like it put the rest of your year on the right foot? Let us know down below. Even if it had the opposite effect, we're dying to know. Number 5. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Brazil doesn't take its celebrations lightly. The beach receives anywhere around 2 lakhs of people every year for the new year. Now a lock is 100,000 people, so it's 2 million people gathered on the beaches in Rio to witness the grand celebration and ring in the new year together. After the fireworks come traditions. People must jump 7 waves and make 7 wishes. They often offer flowers and floating candles to the goddess Liemanja to make wishes for the new year. You can book any restaurant to enjoy your own al fresco dining while you wait for the spectacular events. It's genuinely impressive, romantic, and stunning, no matter how you cut it. One of those kinds of places we all need to see before we die. Number 4. New York City, New York. Almost nowhere can beat the sort of celebrations you'll find at New York's most iconic locations. You can watch the ball drop in person, if desired, giving you something you'll never forget. Join the millions of others who celebrate with the famous drop in whatever way you choose, from a luxury cruise to cocktails in stylish bars. The city is alive with light. Dance to the latest beats, or book a table at a rooftop restaurant no matter where you go. If you're near the town, then it's worth the trip out, even if you only do it once. Number 3. Amsterdam, Netherlands. It doesn't matter what time of year you visit. Amsterdam is always a spectacle to behold. But if you want the best possible New Year's parties in the public square, Newmarkt and Rembrandtplein. The best part is, you can visit these free and enjoy the New Year celebrations with renewed enthusiasm. Beer tents go up and entertainment is live. You can indeed have the experience of your choosing. For something more out of the box, head to the Amstel River and run into the chilly water to ring in the new year, or attend one of the many opulent, lavish parties available to the public. From December to January, the canals and roads are all illuminated with fairy lights with the Amsterdam Lights Festival, making the ambience exciting. Number 2. Bangkok, Thailand. In Central World Square, you're met with the city's highlight on New Year's Eve. Come together to observe fireworks and visit the bars that come to life as soon as the clock strikes 12. You can take a lavish dinner cruise on the Chao Phraya River and relish in the international and Thai buffet, as well as exotic drinks and seafood. Witness the fireworks across the skyline as you watch lanterns float into the sky. Visit one of the many rooftop dining venues like Sky Bar or Octave Rooftop Bar to have stunning views of all the festivities around you and not miss a single moment. Number 1. London, England. In London, New Year's is a grand scale you'll never see anywhere else. With the Thames River as a backdrop, the fireworks illuminate the night with Big Ben lit up in celebration. You have to pay to watch from the main staging area, but free views can be admired from all over, from Alexandra Palace, Primrose Hill, or Greenwich Park. Dine-in options like the London Sky Bar offer you excellent meals. At the same time, you can also indulge in a thrilling champagne party to admire the stunning views from the top of the world, or close to it. The countdown at Big Ben rings in the new year in style, giving you a moment all to your own as the new year comes around. No matter where you go, what you're doing, or where you want to be, New Year's is a fantastic time to come together and celebrate the passage of time. Whether you're splurging on a destination unlike any other or a spectacular view, there's undoubtedly something fantastic near you. If you can travel all over the world for something unforgettable, do it at least once. If not, there's always next year. But what do you think of big New Year celebrations? Do you have one you'll never forget? Was it the company you kept or the event around you? Let us know down below and share your stories. If you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. Don't forget to drop a like on this video too, so we know what kind of content you want us to keep making. Maybe check out our other videos on the channel. You'll never know what you find.